Okay, hi there, this is Brenda Knoll. It is Inktober, day 31. It's the last day, and this is my last painting for Inktober, and it's called His Banner Over Me is Love. My goal for Inktober 2020 was to produce a video a day, and I actually produced 31 videos. I did a Skillshare class, which is 5 videos. I did 9 reels, 17 IGTVs videos, 14 stories with videos, and I posted 12 videos to YouTube. I also produced and published a Skillshare class, and wow, right? That is a lot. So I was extremely busy. I was so busy, it almost wiped me out. I got some new equipment, I got new lights, I got a headset for doing my audio recording, and yeah, so Inktober 2020 was very productive for me. I also decided, I did some math and I realized I was making 38 cents an hour to produce my Skillshare classes. And in reality, when you take into my expenses, I was actually paying $4.80 a class to produce classes for Skillshare, just because of the way it's set up. While I appreciated the experience and getting those classes together, it's really an efficient process. So going forward, I'm going to start producing my classes for my own platform, which I haven't figured out yet. Great, right? I think my first class, though, is going to be this abstract pop art lion that you see in my final Inktober painting, which is 18 by 24 inches. It's large, and so that'll be the class, and it'll be free, and I just need to figure out where my platform will be, and I will keep you informed. So please like, subscribe, follow, etc., 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 leave positive review, all those things you do on the internet. Cost you nothing but mean a lot. Hey, thanks for taking an interest in me and my art. Bye.